I have this gorgeous sugar skull makeup look. Now, I cannot talk that well right now because the diamonds are going to be falling off of my face and they keep sliding off. I have oily skin, so plus face paint and then you add diamonds on, you know, it's not going to work out that well. But I love how gorgeous this look came out. It is so cute. I look kind of creepy right now. Don't mind that. I got this wig at Five Below. And guys, it is gorgeous. I think I should do purple next in my hair. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Should I go purple next after the raspberry face? I want to keep this hair for a while though. My raspberry hair, obviously. You know, this is just a wig. But I'm loving how this looks. I am so excited that this was a look that I chose to kick off my Samtacular Halloween series. I think that I used that name last year, but I mean, I think that it fits. I mean, I just love Halloween. It's so amazing. I have so many amazing looks headed your way. You guys are not even ready for this. This year, I did go out and get some costumes and wigs, as you can see. So, I don't want to ruin it, guys. But without further ado, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. To start this look off, I'm going to be applying my black cream makeup with my fingers, not a sponge and not a brush. In the previous years, when I did use a brush or a sponge, it left the face paint a bit streaky on my face. And I also have oily skin, guys, so I mean, you might want to look at what kind of face paint you're using, but this was just for this tutorial. But I mean, if you want to invest in the pricier face paint, that's totally up to you guys. If you're going to be going to any Halloween parties, then I probably recommend getting the pricier face paint, but it's totally up to you. Now I'm just going to be doing the same thing to the other eye and just try to get them as even as possible. I am now going to take my white cream makeup and I'm going to wet my fingers a bit, and then I'm going to apply that with my fingers as well. Guys, I have to admit, I like this technique a little better than the sponge and the brush. Like I said, it was being really streaky last year when I was applying it with a brush, so I do like using my fingers a little better. Like I said, this is not the best face paint to be using, to be honest, but if you guys are just going trick-or-treating or just staying in your house or something like that, then I recommend this. But if you are going to a fancy party and stuff like that for Halloween, if you want to invest in the more pricier face paint, like I said, that is definitely up to you. Now, one thing that I do want to quickly mention, if you guys are very sensitive to certain things on your skin, do a patch test before you apply face paint, please, because you could break out and it could just leave bumps on your face, and you guys do not want any irritation to occur on your face. So like I said, do a little patch test, like maybe on your arm or something like that, before you apply this to your face. Now I'm going to take that little black crayon and I'm just going to draw my jawline, and then I'm going to add some lines there to give it that skull effect, of course. Now guys, this is a really fun look and you guys can do it any way that you like. This is the way that I chose to do it, and if you want, you can go all out. You could even use actual makeup. You don't have to use face paint. That is totally up to you guys. And now I'm going in with the same black cream makeup, and I'm just going to add my little nose. And just take your time with this, guys. Like I said, no rush. And now it is time for the lips. I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Paints Metallic Lippy in the shade Studded. And now it is time to add the bling around my eyes. Guys, this year I decided to use gems on my eyes instead of actually like drawing a design on with makeup and paint. I just want to use some gems because I thought that it looked really pretty. I don't know, but like I said, you guys could totally take this look and make it your own. And here is the finished look. I just love how this looks, and I feel like the wig pulls it all together, guys. So if you want to take it a bit further like I did, then get a wig and look how cute that looks. I mean, it is totally up to you guys. But if you do recreate this, please tag me in photos. As you can tell by my eyelids, because I have oily skin, some of it did melt off. But if you guys are going out anywhere, like I said, you could always just reapply some paint. No biggie.
Alright my babies, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell because I will be having amazing tutorials all October long. And guys, I do want to try to sneak in some DIYs and some baking videos if I can. Halloween themed, of course, because why not? This wig is really itchy, by the way, guys. And these diamonds just will not stop slipping off of my face because it is oily, and then I have face paint on there. So like I said in the beginning, it's not a good combination. But if you guys do decide to recreate this look, please tag me in photos as usual on Instagram. I love seeing your recreations because this is by far one of my most favorite looks yet. However,
I still have a lot more looks to come, and like I said, I'm going to try to sneak in some DIYs and baking videos. The makeup looks usually take a lot of time, and I'm really focused on that because I'm pretty darn excited, and I have some awesome characters that you guys might be familiar with coming soon. So with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.
I wanna love you with the lights on, keep you up all night long. Darling, I wanna see